Good morning. Back on the dry creek bed job. We're gonna get the conveyor truck here today so we can shoot it all in. And once that gets done, this job will basically be done. Just put the liner on the last time we saw, and hopefully we'll wrap this up today. Should look pretty cool, and I'll kind of get the process of the conveyor truck going for you. It's pretty cool. Can't wait. Got distracted. The conveyor truck broke down, so I had to wait till they get here. But I'm at a job that's kind of close that I did. I did the dry creek bed on that's kind of similar. And this is it all established. They put in all that synthetic turf, plants, trees. Turned out pretty nice. Is that synthetic turf? Here's the dry creek bed I made. I think that was in December? January? Something like that. Looks really good. I'll take a peek at the back. This was a fun job. I like being on this job. I haven't seen it since then. Since December, and looks a lot better than I left it. There's the back, the pavers they put in, the wall. All looks good. They're just grading it out. Wow. Alright, that's it for this distraction. It's cool to come back and see how it all turned out. But as you can see, it's kind of raining. I'm gonna go back to that other job and hopefully get that done. I think their truck should be fixed here shortly, so I'll meet them there and we can get that all conveyored in. Alright, their truck is fixed. He's getting in there now. This truck's cool. It's kind of like a big RC car. He's controlling it with the controller there. And it just all comes down the conveyor belt. And we're putting it in the dry creek bed. First load's done. Just got to shape it up a little bit. Move some of this around. And then we'll get the bottom side. Oh, that's neat. Alright, that's all shot in. It's looking better. I gotta really clean it up because they're not so precise, which is fine. Clean it up tomorrow, blend it all together, get some 1-inch round or 1-inch open for the remaining areas. Clean up the whole place, and that should be all. They didn't want any plants or trees or anything, which is nice. I got it all mounted up. That way I can move it. They couldn't get it everywhere. But it goes along the whole thing. Once I blend it all together, it's gonna look really nice. Can't wait. Finally back to the Dry Creek bed. They got it all conveyed in. It was kind of a headache, just because of logistical reasons, for whatever their reasons were, I don't know. So it took longer than I wanted, and it's still not completely done. Need to grade it out, need to smooth it out, blend it together, clean it up. It doesn't look bad. I like it. The center definitely needs a little bit of cleaning of that gravel. I wish I was here when they did this, but I had to have someone else come here because I was on a different job. But that's kind of how it is. Once I clean it all up, it'll look real nice. Basically there. Video does not do its justice. I like it. Cool. Well, thank you.